Now our next topic is probability. Now what is probability? Probability is the chance that something will happen, or how likely it is that some event will happen. Now if anything is there, any work is there which can be happened or which cannot be happened, so it is said to be probability. Like my test is there, it is of 20 marks, probably I'll be getting full marks or I'll be getting less marks. So it is not sure that how much marks I'm going to get, so it comes under probability. It may rain today or it may not be raining today. So these kind of possibilities are called probability, right? So sometimes you can measure a probability with a number like 10% chance of rain, or you can use the words like impossible. Something which is not possible also comes under probability. Like I have not prepared the test, so it is impossible for me to get the full marks. So this is also a probability. Unlikely, possible. It is possible for me to get the full marks. Why? So because I have prepared the test. Even chance, likely and certain. Like example, it is unlikely to rain today. You are looking at the sky and it is so sunny there, so it is unlikely to rain tomorrow. Such examples are there. So impossible and certain, this is the range of probability. The probability is the value of the probability lies between 0 and 1. If it is 0, it means it is impossible. If it is 1, it means it is certain. Certain means it is surely happening. Okay, even chance means 50-50. 50, like you are tossing a coin, either head can come or tail can come, so there is a 50-50 chance of head or tail, so it's even chance. Now unlikely or likely means, unlikely means very less chances, likely means maximum chances. Then in probability we talks about events and outcomes. An event, now what is event? Is anything that happens. Now anything which is happening is an event. Like if I am talking about rain, is it a rainy day, or the rain is there, so that is an event. Outcome means there are possible results, like if we are tossing the coin heads or tail. Tossing the coin is an event, and if head or tail, these are the two possibilities, either head can come or tail can come, so the possibilities or the result is called as outcomes. So probability tells us the outcomes which is more likely to occur in the event. Now what is the formula for finding probability? It is favorable cases upon total number of cases, or favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. You need to remember this formula, very important, and will be used in the questions. Now let us start exercise 3.4. The question number 1 is, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Now you are older today than yesterday. It is a truth. And today if you are 18 years, then in future you will be 18 plus, right? So it is certain to happen. Certain to happen means it is possible. A tossed coin will land heads up. Now they are saying it will land heads up only. So is it 100% true? No, it can happen but not certain, not sure that it will be definitely happening. So it can happen but not certain. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Now you know that in a dice there are only 1 to 6 numbers. So is it possible that 8 will come? No, it is not possible. So the answer is, it is impossible. Why so? Because there are only 6 faces, 1 to 6. So how can 8 come? So it is impossible. Then the next traffic light signal will be green. Again, how do we so much sure that green will be there? Red can also be there. So for certain answers we can say that it can happen but not certain. हो सकता है लेकिन ज़रूरी नहीं है. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Now again, it can happen but not certain. We can't assure about tomorrow. Now next question is, there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6. marked on each of them. Now 6 marbles, 1 to 6 numbers are there. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? Now we have learned the formula and we will be using this. So total number of marbles from 1 to 6 is 6. And how many marbles are there with 2? There is only one marble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total are 6. And how many are there with 2? Only 1. So number of marbles marked with 2 is only 1. So what is probability? Probability is favorable upon total. Now what is favorable? Favorable means about the event which we are talking about. The marble with 2, it is 1, and total number of outcomes, total is 6. So the probability is 1 upon 6. What is the probability of drawing a marble with 5? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the marbles, and 6 marbles are there. Total marbles are 6. And how many marbles are there with number 5? There is only one marble. So probability is 1 upon 6. Probability is, the formula is favorable upon total. Favorable, we know that only one is in favor, which is having number 5. So probability is 1 upon 6. So this was the topic probability. We have discussed about mode, median and probability. I hope that you all will learn the formulas properly and will try to implement in the questions. Thank you, children.